Next is plants. Plants of deserts. Limited type of plants are found in the desert due to dry climate, lack of rain, and infertile soil. Infertile soil means which are not good for the growth of plants. 80% of their surfaces consists of bedrock, means only stones and stones are there. The desert plants have undergone adaptations in order to survive in the arid climate. Arid means again dry climate. The main adaptations are plants are generally small in order to prevent water loss from their surface. They have small or no leaves. Means which plants are in desert? They have no leaves or they have small leaves. Instead have thorns to save them from plant eating animals. Thorns means the sharp pointed leaves. Leaves of some plants are fleshy to contain aqueous tissues. Some plants have very long roots to get moisture available deep under the ground. Some plants remain dormant. Dormant means not actively growing during dry periods and come to life when water from rain is available. Cactus, acacia, juniper, and poison ivy are some popular plants of the deserts. Next is the animals. Due to shortage of water and hot climate, the desert animals also have undergone many adaptations. First is their camel. We know that camel is also known as the sheep of desert. The long eyelashes keep sand out of camel's eyes. Means the camel's long lashes protecting his eyes from sand. A camel can drink up to 50 liters of water at one time and live without water for weeks together. Means camel can drink the 50 liters water at one time. It can store the water and it can live without water for weeks together. It urinates a little. Camel's feet are wide, so it can walk on sand easily. Because its feet are wide, so it can walk easily. Its legs are long, which keep its main body away from the hot sand below. Next is tortoise. The tortoise is active usually in the morning and evening, means both time they are moving actively. When it is cooler, it burrows under the sand to protect itself from extreme temperatures. It can withdraw its head, legs, and tail into its shell to protect itself from predators. Means it can withdraw its head, legs, and tails when any hunters came for the hunting. Fennec fox. Its large ears, about 15 centimeter long, help it to dissipate means reduce excess body heat on hot days. It's burrowing and nocturnal. Nocturnal are those who are active at night. Nocturnal lifestyle helps it to restrict water loss. Its thick fur helps it to insulate itself from cold desert at night. Means burrowing or nocturnal animals can helps to restrict water loss and it can protect us from the cold desert at night with its fur. Next is human settlement patterns. Which type of humans are there? There are three main human settlement patterns in desert regions. Small groups of people like Bushmen of Kalahari and original Australians live in semi-nomadic food, gathering and hunting life. They have adapted to this environment nicely. By contrast, pastoral nomads. Pastoral nomads seasonally cultivate selected areas, means they are going only the selected areas. Pastoral nomads and shifting cultivation respond to the desert conditions through their mobility. Mobility means move from one place to another easily and quickly. Many million of people live in a settled life near oases. Many people are also living the settled life which are near the oases, on food plain or delta or on area irrigated by water brought from afar. Many desert nations like Kuwait, Iraq, Iran, and Saudi Arabia have made good use of the petroleum and natural gas buried under their sand to earn huge wealth. Means they are getting the petroleum and natural gas from their places and getting the huge wealth. Next is fact wise. Saudi Arabia has 18% of the world's petroleum reserves. It is the largest exporter of petroleum, natural gas, iron ore, gold, and copper are also found here. Means the Saudi Arabia, from Saudi Arabia they're getting the huge wealth because it is the exporter of petroleum, natural gas, iron ore, gold, and copper. This chapter is also finished, so I hope you have to understand this.